Yo, so Big Zulu just dropped an album, and I gotta say, for Big Zulu, bro, the quality of the whole album is not top tier. Like, I was expecting something fire, but the beats are dope. It's just the mixing and the mastering, it's kind of off. Well, leave a comment if you disagree. Okay, so I decided to remake the beat, just the core elements of the beat. Icala or Icala Le Mpumelelo. I'm not Zulu, so don't come for me. So I started off with this melody. I used FL keys. You know FL keys is the gold VST, right? So I started with these chords. They are in G sharp major, and make sure that you also have the bottom notes for the low end of the frequencies, you know. And these chords sound like this. Crazy stuff. So I layered it with this flex piano just to give it more warmth and stuff. Of course, there are other elements to the melody, but I just decided to do the piano only. Then after that, I did this tom and this hi-hat and this open hi-hat as well. These sounds are inside CP Essentials. Go get it. Nice bounce. After that, I added this rim shot also inside CP Essentials, and this snare is just inside the FL Studio. If you search it, you're gonna find it. And then this kick is also inside the FL Studio. You can just search, and I actually cut the tail here. As you can see, originally it looks like this, so I had to cut here to make it punchy, because here it sounds like it's a kick plus an 808. So I didn't want it sounding like that. I had to change. And after that, I just added the 808. I'm not even the 808, the bass. This bass is actually nice. It's a nice bass. It sounds like this. Okay, this is the beat, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy this breakdown, and leave a like as well. Leave a comment if you want the FLP, and I'll drop it. Alright, peace.